Welcome to this exciting project where we build our own AI assistant using Google's powerful Gemini AI model. With just a few steps, you'll create an assistant that understands natural language, executes real commands, creates files, and manages your project, all with human-like interaction. To get started, simply clone the GitHub repository, install the dependencies, and set up your Gemini API Key. This AI assistant uses a tool-based architecture and processes your commands in real time, making your workflow faster and smarter. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just an AI enthusiast, this project is for you. Make sure to check the README for setup instructions and join the open source movement by contributing your ideas. Try it out today and bring your AI ideas to life. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's build something amazing together.